Buying a home is a very personal and intense experience and can be even more anxiety-ridden if a consumer encounters lenders and brokers who engage in unethical and, in some cases, illegal practices. These practices have become known as predatory lending. Predatory lending refers to the variety of unsavory lending practices that are intended to strip wealth or income from unwary borrowers. These practices, though not industry-wide, are common enough that you should use utmost caution and scrutinize every transaction carefully to ensure fairness for everyone involved. Homeownership is one of the main aspects of the American dream. This dream has become a reality for a growing number of families and individuals throughout our nation's history. However, homeownership statistics really took off in the early 1990s. This is when many predatory lending practices had their birth and became a widespread problem. Instead of only offering mortgage loans to those with excellent credit and wealth, some lenders began focusing on deprived borrowers, those with poor credit, and who had previously been considered untouchable by the mortgage industry. Additionally, borrowers who live in areas where traditional banking services are sparse were also targeted by this new breed of lenders. Predatory lending scams come in a variety of packages, many of which will be outlined in this course. However, there are some signs that often indicate a predatory scam. Lenders and borrowers alike should be on the lookout for the following: unduly high fees and interest rates, hidden payment terms, loss of equity in a home, hidden and unnecessary credit insurance packing, mortgage service abuses, and attempts to convince the consumer to sign over the deed on his or her home. The following sections highlight specific scams and practices that fall under the banner of predatory lending, with scenarios that exemplify how some unethical lenders and brokers can roll unsuspecting consumers over for fast cash. Keep in mind that predatory lending is a general term for any of the unethical practices that can take place at any point in the lending process, and a predatory lender refers to anyone who engages in these practices, brokers and lenders alike.